Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the whole numbers for grade 4 and 5. First we will see what are whole numbers, and under whole numbers we will learn place value chart, number names, place value, extended form, and the relationship between place value. In this video, I will cover the place value chart, number names, and place value. In the next video, I will teach you the extended form and the relationship between place value. So let's go started. First of all, we will see what is whole number. Whole number are set of non-negative integers. Okay, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are set of non-negative integers including 0 that extend to infinity. What it means? It means any set of numbers that start with 0 and it goes till infinity. Infinity means there is no limit of anything. Okay, so any number, any set of numbers that start with 0 and it goes till infinity are called whole numbers. But there are certain conditions for being a number to be whole number. What are the conditions? The first condition is it should not be in negative form. Okay, what it means? It means that the number should not be in -1, -2, -3, -4, or so on. Okay, it should not be in the negative form. The second condition is it should not be in the fraction form. It should not be 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 6. It should not, these are called the fraction. It should not be in the fraction form. And the third condition is it should not be in the decimal form like 0.2, 0.5, 0.6. If the numbers are in decimal form, then it is not considered as a whole number. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are all the positive integers or numbers are called whole numbers. Okay, and it must include 0. 0 is also considered as a whole number, and it should not be in negative form, it should not be in fraction form, and it should not be in decimal form. Okay, let's take one question. Like the question is like 82, 0.5, 1 by 6, 93. And it says find out the whole numbers in this question. So what are the whole numbers? Is 82 a whole number? Yes, 82 is a whole number because it is a positive number. So it is considered as a whole number. Is 0.5 is a whole number? No, because it is in the decimal form. Is 1 by 6 is a whole number? No. Why? Because it's a fraction. Is 93 a whole number? Yes, 93 is a positive number. So this is a whole number. I hope whole number is clear to everyone. What are whole numbers? All the positive numbers, including 0, that goes till infinity. It should not be in fraction form, it should not be in negative form, and it should not be in decimal form. Okay, now let's go and see the place value chart. Place value chart is very important. Once you understand the place value chart, all the next topics are related to this one only. So for place value chart, what we have to do first? First of all, we have to draw a chart that is called place value chart. Okay, I am taking here 3 column. The first one is ones, the second one is thousands, and here it is millions. These are called periods in place value chart. Okay, ones periods, thousands periods, and millions periods. What they are called? They are called periods. And under each periods there are places. Okay, each periods has 3 places. Always remember that under each periods there are 3 places. What are they? ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Similarly here also ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so these are called periods, ones periods, thousands periods, and millions periods. And under each period, there are places. There are three places only. Each period has three places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Thousand also has three places. Ones, tens, hundreds. In under the millions period also there are three places. Ones, tens, hundreds. If I'm taking till million here, if it will be the number bigger than million, then a billion will come here, and that will also have three places only. That will be ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, now take one example. Okay, 1493196. Can you read it? What number is written here? It's difficult to read because it's a big number. Once we learn the place value chart, then we can easily say what number is written here. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to place this number in the place value chart. How we will place? We have to first start from right to left. Whenever you place any number in the place value chart, always start from right to left. And we have to first separate this number into different periods, because here are different periods: ones periods, thousands periods, and millions periods. So we have to separate these numbers into different periods. How we will separate? We will separate by taking three digits together. Why we are taking three digits together? Because each period has only three places: ones, tens, hundreds. That's why we are taking three digits together: 1, 2, 3, and we are separating it with the help of comma. Then thousand period also has three places: ones, tens, hundreds. We separate it till here. Okay, now we separated these numbers into different periods. Now it's easy for us to place in the place value chart. Now start placing in the place value chart. We will start from the right side. The right side is first, it comes the ones periods. In the ones period, in ones place it is 6, in the tens place it is 9, in the hundred place it is 1. Then go to the thousands periods. Here it comes 3, here it comes 9, here it comes 4. In the millions period, it is 1. So in the million period, there is only one number is here. That's why it comes under ones. If there are another number, it will comes under tens and hundreds. Now can you read this number? 1 million. We have to see in which period it is also. Okay, 1,400,000. Why 400? Because 4 is in the hundredth place. 1,493,196. See how easily we can read this number now. Any number, if it is in the ones place, it will be multiplied with 1. If it's in the tens place, it will be multiplied with 10. If it's in the hundred place, it will be multiplied with 100. Similarly to everyone here. Okay, so 1,493,196. See, we know the value of this number now. Take the number bigger than this: 976254612. I'm just taking any random numbers. Okay, now read this number. Is difficult because it's a bigger number. So what we have to do, first we have to separate this number into different periods, and then we will put in the place value chart. How we will separate? With the help of comma. And we will, how many numbers we will take together? We will take three digits together, because each period has three places only. Okay, now it becomes ones period, this comes under thousands periods, and this comes under millions period, because we have to start from right to left. Here it comes 2, 1, 6, 4, 5, 2, 6, 7, 9. See, here it comes till 100 place in the millions period. Now can you read it? 976 millions 254,612. So what's the value of this number? It is 976,254,612. See, it is easy or not? Now you can easily read any number with the help of the place value chart. Hope the place value chart is also clear to everyone. You can take any random number and practice by putting in the place value chart. Okay. Now we will go to the number names. Number name is also related with the place value chart. As we know the place value chart, it will be easy for us to learn write the numbers in the word form. What is number name? Number name means writing numbers in the word form. Okay, like we know that one in the word form it is one. If it is 5 in the word form it will be 5. If it is 100 it will be HUNDRED. Small till 1000 is easy, but if it's a bigger number it's difficult to write in the word form. So that's what we are learning here, how to write the bigger number in the word form. Take the number 1493196. How you will write these numbers into the word form? First we have to find the value of this number, means what number is written here. So what we have to do, as we learn in place value chart the different periods, so first we have to separate these numbers into different periods. We'll separate with the help of comma, and we will take 3 digits together. As I already told you that each period has 3 places only, that's why we are taking 3 digits together and we separate it here. It becomes the ones period, it comes under the thousands periods, and it is the millions period. Now you can say 1 million, because 1 is in the ones place of million. Then 1,493,000, because it is in the thousands period. Okay, and this is in the ones period. So 1,493,196. Now write it down in the word form. 1. Always remember to mention the period also in which that number is placed. Okay, then 493,000, because these numbers are placed in the thousand period. In 196. Okay, this is in the ones period, so no need to mention here ones. 1,493,196. You can add here and, so because this is the last digit. Okay, see how easily we write it down in the word form, the bigger number into the word form. Always remember to mention the period also. If you will not mention the period, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, so, and why it is 400 here? Because 4 is in the 100th place of the thousands period. That's why it is 1,493,196. Take the number bigger than this. Say 813492561. Can you read this number? First, you have to read this number, then we can write it in the word form. So what we have to do? We have to first separate it into different periods. Now it's easy for us to write it down also in the word form, and we can read it also. 800, why 800? Because 8 is in the 100 plus ones, tens, 100. And this is the millions period. This is the ones period, thousands period, millions period. Okay, 813 millions 492,561. Now start writing down in the word form. 813 millions 492 thousands 500 and 61. See how easy it is to write down in the word form. 813 millions 492,561. See? Hope the number name is also clear to everyone. How to write the numbers in the word form. What is number name? Means the how to write the numbers in the number word form. Okay. Now let's go and check the another topic, that is place value. Place value also based on the place value chart. As we learned the place value chart, then it's easy for us to find the place value of certain number. Place value means the place in which that particular number is placed, if this is the number. Okay, and the question will say tell the place value of this 6. There are two 6 here, but the place value of this 6. So how you will find the place value of this 6? So first what we have to do, same, you have to first separate the number into different periods. We'll take 3 numbers together. See, now we have to see that this 6 is in which period it comes. This is the ones period, then start the thousands period. So the 6 is in the thousand period. Then we have to check in the thousand period in which place it is placed. Okay, so this is the ones place. As we know, ones, tens, hundred. So 6 is placed in the ones place of thousands period. So what will be the place value of 6? The place value of 6 will be 1000. So understand here, the place value of 6 will be 1000. Take this 1, 7, 2, 9, 8, 1. Now find the place value of 1. How you will find the place value of 1 here? What you have to check first? First of all, you have to check in which period the 1 is. Separate it here to make it into different periods. This comes under ones period, this comes under thousands period. So where this 1 is placed, this 1 is placed under the thousand periods. And in the thousands period, in which place of thousands period? Ones, tens, hundred. It is in the hundred place of thousand period. So what will be the place value of 1? It will be 100 thousands. Okay, the place value of 1 is 100,000 because it is placed in the 100 place of 1000 period. Understand? And if the take another number also, 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9. Find the place value of 8 here. So what you have to do first? You have to separate it into different periods. Now it becomes the ones period, this is the thousands period, and this comes under the millions period. So first we have to see where 8 is placed. 8 is in which period it is? It is in the millions period. This is the ones period, then thousand, then the millions. So 8 is comes under the millions period. Then in millions period, in which place of million period? It is in the ones place of millions period. So what will be the value of 8? Place value. The place value of 8 will be million. Or you can say 1 million or just million. Okay. What will be the place value of 8? The place value of 8 will be million because it is placed in the million period, ones place of millions period. And if they'll say find the place value of this 1 here. So what will be the place value of 1? First, we have to see in which place it is. In which period it is. It is in the ones periods. And in ones periods, in which place it is? Ones tens. So the place value of 1 will be tens because it is placed in the tens place of ones period. Okay. And what will be the place value of 6 here? Try to find out the place value of 6 here. So what will be the place value of 6? In which period it is? It is in the millions period. And which place it is? It is in the 10 place. So what will be the place value of 6? The place value of 6 will be 10 millions. Understand? Hope the place value is also clear. There are two things, place value and value of the number. Here I am talking about the place value. I'm not talking about the value of the number. Value of the number is different. The place value is different. Place value means in which place the particular number is placed. Okay, so don't confuse with the place value and the number value. Place value, you have to just say place means in which place it is placed. Hope the place value is also clear to everyone. So what we have covered today, first we have learned about the whole number. What are whole numbers? The whole numbers are the set of numbers which include 0 and extend till infinity, and it should all be positive numbers. It should not be in negative form, it should not be in fraction form, and it should not be in decimal form. Okay, then we learned the place value chart. We learned how to draw a place value chart and how to place the numbers in the place value chart. And what are they in the place value chart? There are periods, ones periods, thousands periods, millions periods. If the number is bigger than this, then the millions, trillions, and that will also come. Okay. And always remember, each period has only three places: ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so each period will have only three places: ones, tens, hundreds. If the number is how much bigger it will be, it doesn't matter. Each period will have only three places. Okay, then we learn how to write the numbers in the word form. Like if it's a bigger number, then we wrote it down in the word form. As we learned the place value chart, so it's easy for us to write it, to read the number as well, and to write it down in the word form. Then we learn about the place value, how to find the place value of the number. Okay, if the question said find the place value of 9 here, then we have to see in which period it belongs to. Then after that, we have to see in which place of that period the number is placed. So first of all, what we have to find for place value? First, we have to see in which period that number is. Okay, after we find the period of that number, then we have to see in which place of that particular period that number is placed. Okay, if it is say here 5, okay, it will say find the place value of 5. So we will see that it is in the thousands period there, and in the hundred place of thousand period, ones, tens, hundreds. So it will be 5. The place value of 5 will be hundred thousands. Okay, hope it's clear to everyone. So in this video, I covered the whole number, the definition of whole numbers, and the place value chart, number names, and the place value. In the next video, I will cover the extended form and the relationship between the place value. Hope everything is clear to everyone. See you in the next video. Keep practicing maths and keep practicing the place value chart, and write down in the word form as well, and try to find out the place value as well. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.